In physics, collisions are interactions between two objects where they exert forces on each other for a brief period. Elastic collisions conserve both kinetic energy and momentum. Inelastic collisions conserve momentum but not kinetic energy, as some energy is transformed into other forms like heat or sound. These collisions occur in various contexts, from microscopic particles to macroscopic bodies. Example: imagine two balls on a pool table. When they collide and bounce off each other with no energy loss, it is like an elastic collision. However, if they stick together after hitting, like clay balls, it is similar to an inelastic collision. This equation represents the conservation of momentum in collisions, where m1 and m2 are masses, v1i and v2i are initial velocities, and v1f and v2f are final velocities.